Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Swati and today I'm going to show you how to create a soft yet glamorous makeup look that's super easy to follow and perfect for festive celebration, parties or even a family get together. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. I'm starting off with a clean face. I'm applying a hydrating moisturizer to create a smooth base and help the makeup stay fresh all day long. Moving on to brows, I'm filling them in with a brow pencil to add some shape and definition, nothing too heavy, then brushing them out for a natural look. The pencil which I'm using is from Swiss Beauty in the shade dark brown. Now for color correction, I am using two different concealers of two different brands. One is from Too Faced and the other one is from Forever 52. I am applying them under the eyes, around the mouth and on my blemishes. Blend them out gently to brighten and even the skin tone. I am using a PAC concealer blending brush for blending my concealer. The concealer which I am using, both are very hydrating and creamy concealers. The one is from high-end brand and the other one is from drugstore brand. Next I am going in with a medium to full coverage foundation for that flawless finish. This foundation is a buildable foundation, so it will give a medium to full coverage. I'm applying it with the back of a brush and blending it out evenly with the same brush for that smooth and seamless finish. The foundation which I'm using is from MAC Studio Finish and all the shade details and product details will be in my description, so please make sure to check my description for all the product details. Now it's time to brighten and sculpt my face. I am applying a creamy concealer under my eyes, center of the forehead, nose and chin. The concealer which I am using is also from Too Faced, but this time I am using a lighter shade concealer so that it gives me a brightening effect on my face. So also let's bring some color to the cheeks with adding a pop of pink blush to the cheeks and top it off with a cream highlighter for that party ready glow. I am blending it with the help of my fingers and now I am blending my concealer with the help of a concealer brush. Blending is a key. You have to take time in blending so that your all the cream products look seamless after blending. So take your time in blending, blend it all until seamless, otherwise your makeup may look cakey if you do not blend it properly. And always make sure to cover your neck with the foundation so that it doesn't look weird. Now I'm applying a powder blush for setting my cream blush properly with the help of a fluffy brush. After that I will start my eye makeup. For that I am using a light mauve shade and blending it all over my crease in a circular motion. This will act as a transition color and help blend the deeper shades smoothly. And for lid I am applying Kajal very close to my upper lids and then smudging out with the help of a smudger which comes with the Kajal itself, and it will smudge properly. Now adding deep purple shade on the lids and blending it slightly into the crease. It will give a purple smoky kind of eye look. Now for the drama I am using bold purple colored kajal which is having glitter in it. This instantly gives that pop of color into my eyes. Now I am locking everything in place with the help of a compact powder. I will set my under eyes, my forehead, my cheeks, everything, and the compact which I am using is from Lakme and this is a very light powder. I am taking that same light mauve shade and softly smudging it along the lower lash line to balance the look. And for that soft glam effect, I am applying bold black kajal into the waterline and also highlighting my inner corners and brow bones with the help of a highlighter. Now I am outlining my lips with the help of a dark brown lip liner, which is a mandatory to give a perfect shape to your lips before applying any lipstick. So I'm using a dark brown shade. Now I am applying my lipstick, which is a bright pink shade, which is complementing my dress very beautifully. This lipstick is a matte and a completely transfer proof lipstick, very affordable and very comfortable liquid lipstick. Completing my whole makeup by adding eyeliner and mascara. I'm adding a very thin winged eyeliner into the outer corner of the eye with the help of a sketch eyeliner, easy to use, from brand Swiss Beauty, and adding a mascara to my lashes. And here's the final look, a simple poppy beautiful purple eyes that are made to celebrate. If you love this look, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you would like to see the next. Thank you for watching.